More. It's what we live for. More fuel. More fire for adventures. More time to chase dreams. More moments with the people who matter. This is what happened when Live for More became real. They didn't just represent us, they believed in what we stand for.
Live for more.
I live for more!
To live for more.
Across all vocations, real people shared what more looks like. More is not just about having, it's about knowing why you're here.
Nung nagsisimula ako sa Sante business, akala ko noong una tungkol lang siya sa income at pagiging healthy. Pero habang natututunan ko yung sistema at nararanasan ko yung proseso, dun ko nakita ang mas malaking picture. It taught me that success is not just personal. Habang ini-improve ko yung sarili kong buhay, natutulungan ko yung family ko. Nakakapag-grow din ako ng leaders under my team. Doon nag-shift ang mindset ko. Kasi sa Sante, hindi lang kami nagbe-build ng income. Nagbe-build kami ng tao. Tumutulong kami. Higit pa ito sa negosyo para sa akin. Because it's not just about me. Purpose-driven siya.
More fire to stand taller. More courage to believe in yourself.
Dati, takot ako magsalita at mag-lead. Madalas, mas pinipili kong manahimik kasi takot magkamali.
But the Sante community made me feel that I'm enough. At higit pa doon, ipinakita nila sa akin kung paano tumayo, magsalita, at mag-lead.
They showed me that I am capable of being more. Through the guidance, training, at mentorship, natutunan kong magsalita at tumayo dahil may naniniwala sa akin. Sante didn't just help me grow my income, Sante helped me become a confident leader I once doubted I could be. I don't just live to succeed. Nabubuhay ako para gamitin ang boses at confidence na dating wala ako.
And to rise together with the Sante community that first believe in me.
More moments with our favorite people. Because no one lives for more alone.
Busy ka na, pero gusto mo pa rin bigyan ng time yung mga bagay na gusto mo. I'm a marathoner, Sante partner, and a leader. Dito, hindi ko kailangang mamili. Ginagawa ko ang mahalaga sa akin. May lugar kung saan pwede akong gumalaw, lumago, at magpatuloy. Sante is where I belong. In Sante, you may find your place and your own pace.
More chances to live in the now. More freedom to choose your life.
Dati akong assistant mechanic sa isang talyer. Parang lahat limitado. Oras, income, at connections.
Until naka-attend ako sa isang big event ng Sante at nakita ko ang community. Nagta-travel for free, may free gadgets, may mga sasakyan at meron silang freedom para pumili ng buhay na gusto nila. Madaming opportunities, hindi limited. Kaya naman nagsumikap ako bilang ordinary member pero ngayon ang dating nakikita ko lang nangyayari na sa akin. May mga free gadgets, travel, sasakyan at iba pa. Thankful and grateful ako to be part of the Sante community at a young age. Kasi ngayon, I can do all I want. I can travel locally and internationally without hesitation.
Dito sa Sante, we have unlimited opportunities to do what we love. Nagkaroon ako ng freedom.
More space to be real. More room to become who you truly are.
Akala ko noon ng buhay, bahay, trabaho, trabaho, bahay. Hanggang sa dumating yung point na mas pinili kong magnegosyo kesa manatili doon sa nakasanayan. And it was a real leap of faith. At doon ko mas nakilala ang sarili ko, kung gaano ko katatag at kung ano talaga ang mahalaga sa akin. Na-realize ko na pwedeng magnegosyo habang ginagawa mo rin ang mga bagay na mahal mo. Hindi ko kinakailangang magpakaiba. I can show up as myself, curious, mahilig mag-explore, at masaya sa ginagawa ko habang kumikita. Kasi yung binibenta ko, totoo rin. Genuine ang produkto, genuine ang negosyo, at genuine ang mga tao. And that's why it feels right. Para sa akin, ang authenticity, hindi mo kailangan maging iba. Kailangan mo lang maging ikaw. And sa Sante, doon ko yun nahanap.
Learning from the journey and looking forward to what's ahead. You owe it to yourself to do more, live more, and achieve more. With Sante, you don't just dream of more, you live for it.